Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I will do the analysis of both shift, first and second shift, and this is one of the comment that I got, and this is really basically first shift wale very happy and second shift wale very hard question. So this is one of the toughest you can say shift was there at the evening today's shift. So this was the question for the first shift, and this was quite easy, not that much level but easy to medium level, and I already uploaded a detailed video related to coding question of this particular shift, that is count frequency of each elements and return the one with highest count. If the multiple counts are there, means having same frequency, return the smallest value. And second question was related to 2D matrix, means simply you have to take the input of 2D matrix, means n cross n symmetric matrix, and for each row replace the diagonal 0 with the cost I. सिंपली आपको एक n इनपुट लेना था एंड डायगोनल पे जस्ट उसको आपको करना था, देन यू हैव टू जस्ट कंप्यूट द रोज सम. सो दिस वाज द क्वाइट इजी एंड नॉट दैट मच लेवल, बट सेकेंड सीट वाले के साथ भाई बहुत ही आई विल से दैट इट विल रियली हर्ट्स टू से दैट, क्योंकि इन ऑलमोस्ट प्रीवियस फेजेज एटलीस्ट देयर वाज वन क्वेश्चन विच कैंडिडेट्स एबल टू सॉल्व, मीन्स एक क्वेश्चन ईजी तो आ ही जाता था एंड दे वर एबल टू सॉल्व दैट, बट फॉर टुडे शिफ्ट क्वाइट हार्ड एंड क्वेश्चन वाज फ्रॉम द सॉर्टिंग means DP and graph was there. Okay, so let me discuss the question that was there and I will make a dedicated video related to that. So second shift का hard था भाई, ये मेरे साथ क्यों था? So that's the thing I want to tell, means in every video that it completely depend on your luck whether you got means which type of question. So first question was related to modified quicksort, where you have to basically means print the pivot elements and all those, means I will make dedicated video to that. A second question was quite hard and it is not basically you can say able to solve well. Most of the candidates, 95 to 98% students I think didn't solve single questions because that was the DP plus graph, and you know that for DP graph if you will start the writing the code from top to bottom, means one by one line, then it will take at least 1.5 hours and they are just providing the 55 minutes. So I don't know how they are setting the paper, they should set the paper, but I think there must be normalization होना चाहिए, and if normalization will happen then coding will not play a critical role, numerical ability will play a critical role in this shift. So if you are the candidates who have given the exam today, must comment here how was your exam and क्या आप लोग का न्यूमेरिकल एप्टीट्यूड एंड रीजनिंग भी क्या डिफिकल्ट था. बट कोडिंग क्वेश्चन एज पर आई मीन्स माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस इट वॉज रियली टफ and it is very hard to solve these questions. Okay, so I think this is not in favor of candidates, but what you can do. Okay, talking a little bit some other update related to interview updates. So some of the students are also getting the offer letter, so I will make dedicated video related to that, but for the time we just go through our video related to BGC mail. There I have already provided you complete step by step process. Now let me talk a little bit more about the today's questions. So first of all starting with numerical aptitude. So numerical aptitude once was that much level, means जैसा हर एक सीट में आ रहा था that was okay type, you can say it was also medium to hard level, but ये जो न्यूमेरिकल एप्टीट्यूड हर एक शिफ्ट में वही ऐसा ही लेवल था. बट फॉर रीजनिंग एंड यू कैन से एप्टीट्यूड, एडवांस एप्टीट्यूड ऑलमोस्ट सेम लेवल का था, कोई ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टीज आई थिंक फॉर रीजनिंग एंड इंग्लिश नॉट फेस. इन इंग्लिश you will be getting at least 7 to 8 questions from the passage and word jumble order, summary of the passage and some other fill in the blanks, means filler type questions you will get, and coding question which I already talked in you can say at start that for the first shift coding question was quite easy and easy to medium, but not that much hard level. But for second shift it was very hard because you have to apply the Kruskal's algorithm. So first of all, why I'm saying that it will take at least 1.5 hours now, you have to write complete code line by line, and there are also issue related to input scenario, means most of the candidates don't able to take the input scenario. So that's how I don't know how they are setting the questions, but yeah, hope for the best. I hope there will be normalization, so I will make a dedicated video related to normalization and all those things. So if you are the candidates, must share your experience. I hope this video informative to you. कोई भी query feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you, and we can also connect on LinkedIn or Insta or WhatsApp platform, whatever you are comfortable with. So post means exam within 2 to 3 days you will get the things like the batch status and other, so you can check that. And if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can also fill the form. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.